What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I got a question for everybody out there. Has anybody ever had their race car?
Bitch, I got a name, you know.
Yeah. Extort them for money? I mean, he ain't come off that trailer yet, but
Fat boy taking videos.
he be saying some wild stuff.
Now you done sat me here. I got E85 in my injectors, and I'm just sitting.
Crazy.
Alright?
Yeah, okay.
No, for real.
Alright. I get it.
Now I want parts now.
Unreal.
I ain't playing, dude. Give me my parts.
Yeah. Just relax,
I will
alright?
sling a rod right out
Hang
this
out there.
mother liquor. Oh, I ain't playing with you.
It's gonna be like 3 months, 4 months till we get that money up.
Huh?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing.
Man, you need to quit
Good
playing.
girl. I didn't say nothing. Alright guys, yeah, car ain't lying there. E85 sitting in the injector, so fired her up, gonna let her idle, get a little bit of, stuff moving around in there. It's good for her. Alright, so we have everything ordered. Everything that we need to begin testing again arrives this coming Wednesday. The shifter and the Holly IO expander module. Didn't need the IO expander module, but there's a lot of things I really want to be able to monitor. That way I can have more data and make the thing live longer, just knowing certain things. We'll get into that in another video. But the Extreme Automatics valve body, we got it, so that's great. We could slap that on. The shifter arrives Wednesday, this coming Wednesday. So technically, if we work throughout the week, we could go to a test and tune this coming Friday. We'll have to see about that, see how things kind of play out, because that is a lot of work to get done with for us on work nights. But we ordered all the safety stuff we need to have. So we got a fire suit, got the jacket and pants. Pants do not fit. They go up to my tits basically on the length, and yeah, I can't get them things to button, and that was a 2X. So I don't know. I'm just gonna have to go 3X, I guess, and they'll go up to my head. That's just be all scrunched up. Jacket was pretty nice, but it's thick, which I guess is the point. We ordered the remaining parts for a roll cage, and we got, what else? We got a parachute mount, parachute, and the cable kit. Gonna be on the way. Don't know when that's gonna ship yet. Got that from Trick Chassis. Just waiting on them to shoot over tracking code. We'll see. Probably sometime next week it'll ship out. So all the safety stuff that we needed to have, or should have really, we're gonna have. So now with the car being able to shift right, the next thing, we couldn't get great data because it would either shift too soon or shift too late or hit the rev limiter, this, that, and the other. And could you sit there and figure it out and make it kind of work to the best it could? Yeah, you could, but I want full control. I don't want to leave anything on the table. So with the full manual valve body, we'll be able to shift exactly how we want. We'll be able to put the power down how we want, and we should resolve all of our issues there. So we know we're going to be going a lot faster. We got the safety stuff on the way, ready to go in. So we'll be there safety wise, which is important, and then should be there speed wise, or should hit our goals. Just not too hard. A lot of people have hit this goal before. It's not a big deal, but I want to hit it. It's my goal too. So we should be there, guys. Just wanted to give y'all this little update. I figured, I have to give you guys updates. I can't not. The algorithm's gonna eat me alive and spit me out into no views world. I don't want to be in no views world. All right, guys, this stuff is not cheap. I make about $55 a month off YouTube right now from ads. So if you guys want to help me out, I'm not going to ask you to buy a t-shirt or anything because I don't have any t-shirts to sell. But if you could share my channel, and if you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe, or just watch another one of my videos. That really helps out. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one.